Pauline is 40 today, and to God is the praise. These are chronicles of honor, you were born to amaze. Now I'm mixing this with Shona Makagona Kuve. Sisi vatinga tarisa teacher chaka the way. Munota uraje shoko and reminders to pray. Tino guadama kurarama and God has the say. Tea recovered by the blood that only Jesus could pay with. And this is nothing to play with. You have wisdom and age. Sisi vangundi no tender nemi. Pasnai mimi, this a different kind of journey. Yes, I'm criticized by many, but none of them is you. Munondi tsiwura with love, I'm never feeling like a fool. Yeah, I'm not the only one, there's many feeling gratitude. Yeah, we love your attitude and glad your children got it too. Pauline, you listen to our stories, we have nothing else to prove. Elevated me when I was down with nothing else to lose except my life. Without your views, I'd have a different point of view on Christ. So he took over my fights, and I'm nice. Big up Mukwasha Tendai. I love my niece JC. I love my nephew Jaden Nashe and my niece Ropa Fadzai. God's eye, they see the love in your eyes. Calculated advice, I'm never there to judge why. You doing things in certain ways. Mwariva kugadzai. Pachigaro che umambo handimbo kuvanzai. Doku imbira inyambo for the gift of more life, more blessings. Never gamble with our pieces, no dice, no guessing. Aisi lotto, we just living for Christ. More lessons, be resilient, transgressions arise. Light is taken out sometimes between the middle of night. See, you've been blessed to wrestle with the thief of our sight. Thus you opened up our eyes, giving inner insight. God is blessing you with levels, you're a winner at life. You've been dreaming and manifesting what is there to fire up the women and unaccepting to the world of lies that we live in. I pray that you disseminate the scriptures you believe in. Open up your arms, every giver is receiving. Preach the gospel, many are confined to a prison. You were born to lead and put our minds on the mission. Ever since your birth, it was your calling, you're commissioned. God is over all and it was your opposition. You never lukewarm in the middle, no position. Mother to your children, seen you cooking in the kitchen. Sister to your siblings and it's never competition. Did this for your birthday, now accept my composition. You never lukewarm in the middle, no position. Mother to your children, seen you cooking in the kitchen. Sister to your siblings and it's never competition. Did this for your birthday, now accept my composition. It's Mcpotar, your boy.